Raspberry Pis are very small, basically a computer motherboard, right? That you can connect other things to tell it to do things.
Lawrence Elementary received a grant from the Mesquite ISD Education Foundation to fund a STEM academy featuring Pi-top laptops powered by Raspberry Pi. The group's mission is to offer students the opportunity to build critical thinking and problem-solving skills while developing a knowledge base of coding and computer science. The 40 students participating in the academy have exposure to basic coding through library lessons, their after-school UTD coding club, the MISD hackathon, and more. The Pi-top Academy is designed to move students beyond the basics of block coding and develop true coding skills and thinking processes that will be required for jobs and careers in the future. The first task teams faced was assembling their Pi-top to make it a functioning computer. We're excited to follow their journey as they acquire skills and build confidence to tackle real-world problems.
So there you have it. Basically, these 40 third through fifth graders just built a computer with their Raspberry Pis, and they are ready to get started on their journey.